Come back to the next topic of chemical bonding. Question number 9. Debye unit in the order of 10 into 10 to the power of minus 10 electrostatic system of unit, coulometer, and 10 to the power of minus 18 electrostatic system of unit in coulometer, and 10 to the power of minus 8 electrostatic system of unit in coulometer, 10 to the power of minus 12 electrostatic system of unit in coulometer. So already it is a consistency value. So 10 to the power of minus 18 ESU and a coulometer. So the percentage of ionic character of bond having 1.275 Armstrong degree, its length, and 1.03 D in dipole moments is 10%, 15%, 16.83%, 18.8%. In order to calculate the percentage of ionic character, mu observation divided by mu theoretical value, that is mu observation value is given in the question, 1.03 D always will be given in the question, and theoretical value is a calculated value, that is Q into D value. Theoretical value to be calculated by the multiplication of Q into D value. That is 4.8, and D value that is given, that is 1.275 into percentage, 16.83%. Let us see this calculation in simple manner. First you 1.03 divided by 4.8 into 1.275. So this you multiply this 4.8 into 1.28. This is the shortcut method of multiplication. Just write 128, this side of 48, or this side you can write 128 and this side you can write a 48, no problem. You put a box like this and multiply. 4 1s are 4, 0 and 4. 4 2s are 8, 0, 8. 4 8s are 32, 3 2. Next, 8th table. 8 1s are 8, 0, 8. 8 2s are 16, 1 6. 8 8s are 64, 6 4. By adding this line 4 and this line, 6 into 6 12 and 4 14. So put 14 here, 4 here, and carry over 1 here, remaining 1 here, carry over here. So you're getting 1 4 5 10 13 21 1, remaining carry over 2 here, 6. So 6 1 4 4. Here you see the decimal, 2 decimal this side, 1 decimal, totally 3 decimal. So keep the point 1 2 3. So 6.144 is the multiplication value of 4.8 into 1.28. So here 1.03 divided by 6.144 into 100. So divide this 103 to be divided by this 6.14. So I have written here 1. This is 1 is fraction. Both are in fraction. So remove this fraction. 1.03 divided by 614. So here 2 decimal and here 2 decimal. So remove this 2 decimal divided by 100. 2 0 add division. Here 2 decimal divided by 100. Then remove this division and make multiplication and write the reciprocal of this portion. 100 divided by 614. Then 103 multiplied by 100 here, and 100 is multiplied by 614. So this 100 and this 100 were cancelled. So 103 divided by 614. Otherwise we can see this, just remove this decimal, because here 2 decimal, here 2 decimal. Automatically we can remove the decimals and write a whole number, 103 by 614. This I showed you for this thing to understand if it is any 3 decimal or more than 2, 3, 4 decimal is there, means that much of 0 to be added up, make into a whole number. So 103 divided by 614. Here 103 divided by 614 into 100. Here 10, this 103 I have taken here, and 614, it is not going in 103. So because this is less than, which is less than this, 0 is the less than value. So I put a 0 and then keep point and added 0 here. So now the answer is 1030. Less than 1030, we should see here it is a 12,000. Less than 1030 is this one. No? So one time. So 614. Subtract this, we are getting 6 and remaining 2 here, 1 1 and remaining 4 1 6 and added 0 here, 4,160. Less than 4,160 is nothing but this one, 3684. So it is a 6 times. So write 6 times here and write this 4,000, not 4,000, 3684. So subtraction, we are getting 476. Again putting 0 and below this 4,760. Below this 4,760 is here 4298 as a 7. I mean 614 into 7 times. So again put a 7 times and add the 7 times value 4298. Subtract this, getting 462 and add 0 and below 4,620 we should see. Again we are saying 7th table. So again you put a 7 times here and then subtract the 4298. We are getting 322. Added 0 and less than 3,022. 220. Less than 32. Not this one. It is less than 32 is a 30. We have the 3070 and put a 5 here and 3070 and then we are getting etc etc etc. At least a 4 or 5 taking the values is just enough. So we are getting 0.16775. So here it is multiplied by, make into this 0.1677 is there. So I have added 1 to the 7, 8. So 0.1688 into 100. So after this we are getting as 16.8%. So our answer is 16.83%. Is this a C option is the correct answer. Thanks for watching, students.